Hi friends, this is Venki and welcome back to my channel. This is a video of unboxing and review of makeup brushes that I got from Amazon. So let's not waste any time and go straight to our today's video. So friends, this is how I received the package from Amazon. The cardboard box was inside a plastic cover. So I think they are taking care of all the safety measures. So it is a good idea to order from this. The packaging is really impressive. Okay, so I got makeup brushes from the brand Kylie Premium Synthetic Kabuki Makeup Brush Set. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks. So now let me just open it and show it to you how it is. Okay, so this is a 10-piece makeup brush set. It is coming in the combination of black and silver. And I paid $2.95 for this. The rating in Amazon is 4 out of 5. Okay, so let me take you closer towards it. So this is how it looks. Now I've just opened the packet. Okay, so in this, as I told you, you will find 10 makeup brushes, one makeup sponge, that is the beauty blender, and there is that makeup cleaning egg. It's called as the makeup brush cleaner egg. So first let me take you through the beauty blender sponge, then the makeup brush cleaner egg, and then the 10 makeup brushes. Okay, so these brushes are made up of sturdy wood. They are not plastic. They are made of wood of very good quality, and the hair of the brush is, or the bristles of the brush is made up of synthetic hair. So I would suggest that this is a good option for those people who want to try out some DIY makeup. It's even a good option for professionals also. Okay. So now let me take you closer to the brushes. Okay, so they claim that there are 10 brushes here. One is the blush brush. Okay, and it goes on with all the other kinds of brushes. So this is how the makeup brush cleaner looks. You can see that there are small bristles. So what you do is, after applying the makeup, you can just put a little bit of baby shampoo on those brushes, and then you can just scrub the makeup brush on this, okay, what you see here, and then you can clean your brushes. So here's the beauty blender. Wow, this is so cute. This is super adorable, and I must tell you, this is very soft. Okay, when I was touching it, I could feel it really soft, and it's very cute also. So this is a very good beauty blender. Okay, you can wash it and you can reuse it. If you want to use it for dry application, even that is fine. Okay, so this is also coming along with this package, so that's also a very good thing. Okay, so and pink color means it's the favorite of many. So let's go to the brushes. Okay, so there are altogether 10 brushes, 5 fat brushes and 5 thin brushes. Okay, so this includes blush brush, powder blush brush, flat top buffing foundation brush, precision face brush, face powder brush, angle flat top shadow brush, angle flat top brush, then top shadow brush, blooming brush for detailing, and the ordinary blooming blush brush. Okay, so this is how it looks. So now let me take it out of the packet. So this is how it looks once we take it out of the packet. So talking about the positives, as I told you, the packaging is too good. And the brushes also seem to be very sturdy. They are made of good quality wood. And the bristles are very soft. They are synthetic hair brushes, very soft brushes. Okay. Price range is also quite affordable. Okay. For beginners, I'll tell you, this is a very good option. Now, talking about the downsides. Okay. So, let us just check the quality of the brushes. Okay. So, this one seems to be in good quality. Okay. They are really strong. Now checking the quality of the second one. Okay. Oh my god, I don't know what happened. Okay, it just got dismantled. Maybe I'll get some Fevikwik or something and I'll make sure that it is, getting in place. I don't want to replace because there's a one piece that is faulty. I think Fevikwik will do its job. Okay. Now I think all the other brushes, let us see how it is. Okay. They seem to be of good quality. Okay, maybe by some bad luck one was not good enough. Okay, so now talking about the downsides, I feel that there are just two types of brushes. One is fat and one is thin. So it is very difficult to make out which one is what kind of a brush. That is, which one is for highlighter, which one is for foundation, which one is for detailing. Unless you have that very clear idea, I think it will be difficult. Okay. And you can see that one brush got dismantled, but okay, I'll fix it. No problem. Okay. Then the other thing is, as I told you, the versatility of these brushes is very poor. Okay, if you have a good knowledge, then I think you can get along and get started. So my rating for this would be say 3.5 out of 5, whereas in Amazon you will find say 4 out of 5. Okay, not bad, good one. So this one which is broken, it's not broken, it's just dismantled. I'll put it back in place. Okay. So this is a good option for those who want to try DIY. Even if you're professional or beginner, this is a good choice, but you have to clearly see which brush is for what. Try and see, okay, what works and what doesn't work for you. Okay, so that's all regarding the brushes. I've also done a lot of videos on makeup. I have previously posted a few makeup videos. I'll mention its link in the description box below. So check it out. I'm sure you're going to enjoy that as well. Okay, and in case you want me to go and try out how these makeup brushes really look, then maybe I'll do a demo video on how to use them also. Yeah. So friends, I hope you liked today's video. You found it helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me. So until we meet again next time with another unboxing, another review or something which is completely different. This is Venki signing off. Ta-da!